Hey, I would join your challenge groups or become a coach on your team, but I'm older and I don't really have a quote unquote beach body. It seems like it's just for the younger people. Our mission is not to make you look ripped or have six pack abs 365 days a year. Our mission is to empower you to continually develop into your fullest potential, help end the trend of obesity, and create the most reliable and sustainable source of income from home. My dad is 62 years old and 2018 has been his healthiest year ever. I mean, check out these decline push-ups and tricep push-ups. I remember when I convinced him to order his first bag of superfood dense nutrition back in July of 2011 to help me win a company-wide sales contest. I recommended to him that he replace his fast food lunches, since he was a service repair tech and on the road most of the day, with a quick and easy superfood shake. He and my mom both ordered their first bags and signed up with a coach membership to get a 25% discount. In the first year of drinking his shake every day, his cholesterol went from 224 to 193. His HDL went from 161 to 132. Now, obviously, results vary, and getting rid of and reducing fast foods and soda will do magic to your health. But that's pretty awesome to see what happened with simply replacing fast food with a super dense nutrition shake and meal replacement. Fast forward to 2018, my dad really dove into our mixed martial arts home workout, where he streams our workouts in the basement of his house with his phone. Using this service is like having a gym membership in your own house for about $8 a month, with a trainer telling you exactly what to do. It takes the guesswork out of fitness and your meal plans. I love it when he shared this with me. Quote, I started the year in January of 2018 at 205 pounds and a blood pressure of 130/74. As of December, I'm at 176.4 pounds and will hopefully reach my goal of 175 by the end of the year. My blood pressure has consistently been around 118/72. I feel like 2018 has been my healthiest, and I've had the energy to do things I wanted to do with no restrictions. End of quote. As we approach 2019, we want to invite you to join us on this journey of living a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. We'll be your accountability piece to ensuring you that you follow through with your goals. Comment below or reach out to me by filling out the application in the description below this video about your goals, and we'll see if this might just be a fit for you.